Got a dog that snores louder than your grandpa. Here's why: dogs can snore for a bunch of reasons, just like people. Sometimes it's because they're sleeping in a funny position. Other times it could be a sign of allergies or a cold. Short-nosed breeds like pugs and bulldogs, they snore more often because of their cute, squished faces. But don't worry, most of the time snoring is totally normal. If your dog sounds like a freight train every night, it might be a good idea to check with your vet, but otherwise just enjoy the sweet symphony of your furry friends snoozing. So next time you hear those snores, remember, it's just another way your pup shows they're comfy and relaxed.